Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So finally the build is done, and I'm sorry I haven't been able to put out a ride and review video yet because the day I actually brought Silverback home, roads were wet, it was raining, so I really had to take it easy. Not familiar with the power obviously, so I just took it easy back home. And then it's been raining for the past couple days, haven't been able to take the bike out. So anyway, today, as you guys can see, there's not a cloud in the sky. We're gonna take it for a ride and review test. And I'm gonna let you guys know, that's gonna be in the next video. But today's video, I wanna go over a few things about the bike. The power, you could definitely tell the difference, especially the torque. It's just unbelievable, amazing. It just feels like a totally different new bike. It feels like the bike's supposed to feel straight from the factory with 153 foot-pounds of torque to move an 800-pound machine, including myself, another 216 pounds. So you definitely need that torque. It feels like a premium bike now. It's absolutely amazing, but I will go over that in the next video. I just wanted to do a quick video. I'm super happy with the build, and I want to let you guys know that I created a 128 build series playlist from 1 through 11. So basically episode 1 through to 11, 1 to 11. And you could click the pop-up banner wherever it comes up on the top right there to check out all 11 videos about this 128 build, 141 horsepower, 153 foot-pounds of torque. Absolutely amazing. It sounds awesome. Huge thanks again to Dave over at JD for putting this monster together for me, and to actually taking the time and being patient, allowing me to video basically every single step of the way so you guys could have a real detailed playlist, build series, whatever you want to call it, of a 128 big bore kit. And let me tell you, it's really in detail, so definitely check that out. It's basically from A to Z. I was there every step of the way, everything he was doing, so you guys can check that out. But today's video, I want to show you guys something on the exhaust. I have 2-in-2 Khrome Werks exhaust, full exhaust, not just slip-ons. They're full exhausts, black chrome ECLIPSE with the 4.5 inch mufflers right there. And I had a couple questions. They're not the stock baffles, they are not the comp baffles, but they are louvered baffles, because there was a lot of questions in the comments which baffles. I thought they were the stock baffles, but they are not. They are the louvered baffles in the mufflers. Just so you guys know, you definitely don't want the comp baffles because you lose too much back pressure and you're going to lose power. So Dave actually did put the louvered baffles in when we did the stage 2 last year. So I wanted to show you guys two things about the exhaust and how awesome of a company Khrome Werks is with their customer service and just taking care of their customers as far as warranty issues or anything like that. Great customer service. So let me explain to you guys what's going on here. So there's the 128 big Arlen Ness right there, air cleaner. And you could see Khrome Werks 2-in-2. There is a crossover and 4.5 inch mufflers. So these pipes are in black chrome. They're called ECLIPSE. Beautiful pipes, absolutely beautiful. I get comments on them all the time. Only two things, as you guys could see right there, it is bluing. The beginning of the muffler, there's a discoloration in the chrome, and it's not happening on the other side, as you guys could see. And then when I got home, I noticed when I was riding home from Dave's at JD Works after the build got done, listen to this. So the clamp, which is right there, the welds actually broke off of the heat shield. I didn't know what was rattling at first, but the actual bracket that's welded, tack welded inside of this heat shield actually snapped off. So I got on the phone. I was dealing with Nate. Nate actually works for Lincoln Industries, which is the mother company of Khrome Werks, and they own another company that does truck exhausts. Nick actually sent me out these hand grips for free to check them out, and they match my exhaust. And he actually noticed that muffler was blued. He was going to send me out another one, but I guess everybody's busy. And but after that happened with the heat shield, I actually called Khrome Werks and talked to a gentleman there. I forgot his name, I apologize, but he basically just said, listen, text me a picture of what's happening with the muffler and the heat shield to this number that I called. And I texted him the number, and literally in like 3 minutes, he already shipped everything out, and he's sending me out a hat and a t-shirt. And I just want to say that is friggin' awesome, and thank you so much. I literally, there was no arguing, no, no going back and forth. It's just basically send me a picture, let me know what's going on, and I will send this out to you immediately. So kudos to you, Khrome Werks. That's what customer service is all about. So I really do appreciate it. So as soon as I get the new heat shield, I am going to go for a ride and review test today. I actually tightened down and maneuvered the heat shield in a way so that it's not going to be rattling against the cylinder or the pipe, so I could give you guys a ride and review, because I'm not sure when these parts are going to come, but I'll do another video when they do come. But we're going to go on a ride and review, and actually, like I said, awesome company. That's how you want things to work. It's just, here, this is what's wrong. Yes, I'll ship them out, and boom, they're ready, on its way. No questions asked. That's awesome customer service, and that's how it should work. All right, so now I'm actually going to take a short ride. I'm going to go over to Harley-Davidson. I was thinking about getting a new derby cover for the other side, because it says 114 on it, and obviously it's not a 114 anymore. So I want to go see what they have. I was thinking about maybe getting some custom, maybe something military, veteran wise, but I do have the suicide choppers. Let me show you guys here. I do have the suicide choppers cargo rack. It says United States Air Force on it. So I don't know if I want to get something else. I might just get a 128 so people know what they're dealing with. I might just get a 128 cover, see what they have. So let's go take a ride. All right, guys, back from the ride. I just got back from Bergen Harley-Davidson here in New Jersey. So I actually figured out what I'm going to do. The timing cover, the insert on the cam cover right here, I actually found a nice one. So Bergen Harley actually ordered it for me now. It's only about 14 bucks. It actually says 128 stage 4 on it, Screaming Eagle. So I'm actually going to put that in there. I think it's going to look really nice with a little bit of red. So I'll do that on this side, showing that I do have a 128 stage 4. And for the derby cover, I'm actually, I am going to get something custom made, possibly something in the lines of United States Air Force or veteran or something like that. We'll see. So that's it for this video. I'm waiting on the parts. As soon as I get the heat shield and the muffler, I'll show you guys the install, but it's fairly simple. But other than that, I am going on a ride right now, a full ride and review, because it is absolutely beautiful, not a cloud in the sky. It's about 65 degrees. So I will stay tuned for that one, because let me tell you, this bike is absolutely crazy. It's insane. It feels literally like not sport bike fast, but it's super fast. And it has so much torque, low RPM. You just hit that throttle and this baby goes. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. Maybe Big Guy will come out with me on the ride. So we'll see you guys on the next one. And again, like I said, there's going to be a link down below in the description. Check out the entire build series, episodes 1 through 11. All right, guys, see you guys on the next one. Peace out.